Well, we're not going to expect that much of a severe weather threat, at least for the rest of this week, Rob, fortunately.
Yeah, we could see a few thunderstorms tonight, but thankfully we're not expecting strong or severe storms coming through with that front here later this evening. And of course, the story this morning has been the overcast skies, kind of the cool start, and even a little mist and drizzle. Muscle Shoals, you can see that here on our sky camera. This is brought to you by Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Still at 47 degrees, but look at this. This is important. That wind just switching to a southeast at about 6 miles per hour just in the last 30 minutes. Also seeing the same for Huntsville. Just starting to see that south wind taking over as a warm front has lifted through. It's now 49 degrees in Huntsville, and you can really see what the difference is between the cold side and the warm side of the warm front. Look at Fort Payne. You're at 64 degrees right now, 61 degrees in Guntersville, and then right here, as you get along that warm front, you get on the other side, temperatures in the mid 40s to even low 40s just across the state line into Tennessee. So we will see some of that warmer air moving in throughout the rest of this upcoming afternoon, and then by this evening, we are tracking the cold front coming in, which will bring the heavier rain and the chance for a few thunderstorms. You can even pick out the warm front moving through on the radar right now. This is the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. It's triggering a few showers as it lifts north here in the late morning hours. A lot of what you're seeing right here, that's being picked up by the Columbus radar just across the state line in Mississippi. If we zoom in and just take our Decatur radar and our Guntersville radar, you lose a lot of that, and that's because a lot of that's just not reaching the ground. So again, a few light showers and sprinkles, but most of this is just failing to reach the ground here this morning. I'll look at your day planner for today. Temperature should make it up to at least the low 60s. Of course, if you're in Fort Payne right now, we're already up to 64 degrees. So some of those spots that have been on the warm side all morning, you actually have a chance of hitting 70 here this afternoon. So it will be a warm day for many spots off to the south and southeast. And you can see that here on future radar. 4 o'clock, we're still dry, but look at these areas south of the Tennessee River. You're actually getting a little bit more sunshine. So not too bad for places closer to Morgan County, Marshall County, and DeKalb County. Still dry as we wrap up the workday and the school day. But by this evening, right around 8 o'clock this evening, we're starting to see some showers and even some thunderstorms developing ahead of the cold front. And right around 9, 10 o'clock, right over top of I-65 and into Madison County, right over top of Huntsville, that's where we have that better chance for some thunderstorms. Still bringing some heavy rain, some gusty winds, but these are not expected to be strong or severe. That line continues to slowly move east, and it slows down some, so that's a concern for flooding because that would drop more rain over places like Marshall County, Jackson, and DeKalb County. And could even see a few more showers developing along the actual cold front by late in the overnight hours and into your Friday morning. But we are back to clear skies heading into your Friday afternoon, though we will be tracking more rain moving in by this weekend. Could even see a few wet snowflakes and sleet pellets on Saturday morning. No big deal with that. We're not expecting any accumulations. But by Saturday evening, look at all that rain moving back in. So we're still dealing with a lot of rainfall all the way through Sunday morning, and that could also bring some flood issues. And we will continue to add on to those rainfall totals all the way through the next 5 days. We're also still tracking those flood issues with some of the waterways. Paint Rock River, you are still in moderate flood stage. Big Nance Creek is also in minor flood stage. But you'll notice the Tennessee River at Florence, that's expected to move into minor flood stage here in the next 24 hours. And we're even seeing the Elk River just across the state line of Limestone County also moving into minor flood stage. So we got to watch all of those closely. We do finally dry things out, though, by Sunday evening and into Monday. Highs back up to where we should be for this time of the year. And then look at Wednesday of next week, mostly sunny with highs in the mid 60s.
All right. Thank you so much.